Hi, welcome everyone. Uh, Welcome for a MuleSoft development course, session 3. Uh, in session 2, we discussed about the Mule community and enterprise edition, and overview of a platform, Anypoint platform, and Anypoint Studio, and what is an API. You guys see yesterday different stages of API lifecycle. Please go through them, and those are the important points for interviews. Actually, they will ask questions in the interviews. You guys need to understand thoroughly those all things. Now we can continue with our session 3. In session 3 we can know the means like it will be a like not a theory session. I will explain means like some real time examples. What is HTTP and HTTPS? You guys all know means like if you are in a IT persons, you guys all know about the HTTPS and HTTP, but I am telling about the means like who are coming from the non-technical background. For them, like what is HTTP and HTTPS. The content of this session 3 is identify resource over internet, and what is HTTP protocol, the basic characteristics and features of a HTTP protocol, uh, HTTP request and HTTP response formats, how the request and response parameter means like formats are going on over internet, and HTTP request methods. There will be a means like methods like get, options, post, put, patch. But I refined, and what means like what only 4 we are using. Those things I have explained here, and HTTP versus HTTPS, and finally HTTP status codes. Okay, coming to the first slide, identify resource over internet. Okay, actually you guys are remember in my first class. Okay, what is client server connection means like how the request is going on internet and how it is going. Okay, first the while you guys are doing means like while you guys are working means like in mobile you guys are searching something, or in the internet laptop in Google Chrome or any other browser like Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge. On that time what you guys are searching, like if you guys are search for a little bit thing like what is mule, what is something, what is book, what is laptop, and what is HTTP, like that if you guys are going on that time, there will be a connection means like for example you guys are searching in the Google Chrome. On that time Google Chrome will open. Before Google Chrome open, after that there will be a search bar. In search bar you guys are searching about the google.com. After one tab, search tab will coming. In that you guys are putting like HTTP protocol. Okay, in that HTTP protocol or any movie reviews, like now I have seen the RRR movie, like that you guys are searching something means like you are finding any resource over internet. In over internet what it contain, it contain an HTTP protocol, and coming after that host and port. That host and port is combined means like in organization it is combined, and they will given as a domain name. Okay, after that domain name is like google.com. That is the only one domain name for one thing means like google.com. You guys cannot duplicate means like google.com. That thing we used here, and after that you will get a base path and a sub path you will get. What is protocol? Protocol is nothing but a set of rules given by the internet. Protocol is a communication protocol means like it is connecting with the client and server. In that you guys have some set of rules. Those things are the protocol. Like protocol is HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, I have given example here also, like HTTPS here it is a secure protocol, and HTTP also you guys can give. Okay, and then after that host and port. Host and port means like just you guys in means like if you are in organization, I have said like if anything is coming on, like HTTP has a 80 port, like that 443, like different ports are there. Those things we are giving, but means like while giving to customers or clients, on the time they will provide means like they will combine that thing in the domain name means like the IP address and a port. Okay, the google.com combined in the www.google.com. right to after that you will get a base path and sub path. We can say means like this whole part we can say as a URL means unified resource locator, means like actually while you were searching these things, URL you guys are seeing means like everywhere, like for example I can say, see here, this is a search, and then after that there will be a queue, and what will be the this is an this is a search, this is a query we are checking. Okay, whatever it is there now, this will be a resource path. Okay, combine this base path and sub path we can say as a resource path. Okay, for example we can see I have pasted this thing, right? Okay, just what I will do, I will copy this thing and paste in the Chrome. Okay, whatever I said, like if it is a search bar, if you want to paste something, okay, if you paste this thing, okay, whatever it is, okay, it will come like this. Okay, here see here MuleSoft practice exam answers, but here it is searching. Okay, practice exam search, you can search anything, whatever the resource is there, they means like in the Google server they are coming us with a response. Okay, now I am requesting to Google, okay, what I need a review of RRR Hindi movie. Okay, I am requesting means like just I am asking a question, means like I need this thing, just you guys give me. Okay, now I am searching. Okay, it is coming with some resources like a review in Hindi and these all things, these all the resources is given by a Google server, but you guys need to concentrate here in the URL box. Okay, I will say here, see, HTTPS is a protocol, and then right to after that a domain name, and after whatever it is coming base path and sub path, it's including a resource path. You guys can say it is a resource path, you are identifying a resource over a internet. That is the thing, while you are identifying like that only, not only the Google Chrome, I will say the red bus. Okay, red bus means like Google Chrome is a searching platform, but red bus is a ticket booking platform. Okay, see here also, oh, Rebus, sorry sorry guys, sorry, you guys, redbus.in. Okay, something, some website is there, some dubbing website. Okay, here also see guys, here no resource path, just you guys are finding only domain name, means like this is a home page. Okay, now what I am doing is in date, just I will put here and searching the buses. Okay, now you guys don't need to concentrate here, you guys need to concentrate here. Okay, what is here HTTP protocol, and right to after that you guys will get a domain name, that will be a nothing but a host and port, like IP address and port. After right to after that, just you guys means like a bus tickets, and this is a base path. Okay, after right to after this thing, this is a sub path, whatever it is there, this is a sub path, and after that they are searching, means like this is the search is there in the Google Chrome. Okay, see guys, see here search is there. Okay, but here Bangalore to Hyderabad, this is we are searching here, means like both are same, but whatever you are searching buses to Bangalore to Hyderabad. Okay, right to after that query name, city name is Bangalore, and whatever it is going after those things, those are here. Okay, okay, what I will do, I will remove this thing. Okay, I will remove these all things. Okay, yeah, just I will search this thing only. Okay, what is coming, nothing, it's like this is the resource. Okay, whatever you guys are need, those things are the home page. Okay, where you need to book the bus, this will be a resource. Okay, here you need to search some query, whatever the query I am searching for, Bangalore to Hyderabad. Okay, date I need to give here, today's date, and see guys, here just you guys have only the protocol and domain name, and what is this, this is a base path. Okay, now you will get a sub path. See guys, just to concentrate here. Okay, whatever it is coming, okay, Bangalore, this is a sub path. Okay, sub path query. What is the query? This is a subpath. After that query from Bangalore and to city ID, they are giving the city ID for that. Bangalore is a city ID. This is a internally they are you will getting a suggestion, right? Those, and after that city name Hyderabad. Okay, for that they have a something like a 124 city means like they have a some codes are there. Okay, bus type any and option ID. Okay, but just whatever the inputs we gave, onward means like onward, whatever we are giving date. Okay, those things all are pasted here and we are searching this thing. Okay, what I will do, I will now it is a success response, right? Now whatever I will do with a 6 date. Okay, what it comes, you will get some response. Okay, what is response? It is taking as a 8. Okay, now what I have given here, I have given 6. It is not taking because in 6 is over, means like that day is over. Today is a 7. Okay, that day is over, that's why it is giving a 8. Okay, that is not a problem, just you guys need to concentrate on these things. Okay, whatever the coming here I will copy paste, means like for you for example I will paste here. Okay, yeah, in my slide also, that will be helpful for a future. Okay, yeah, now you guys are understood, I think, how we can identify resource over internet. You guys, whatever every day means like you guys are using in YouTube, in Facebook, in LinkedIn, in any other sites you guys are using, there also you guys will see this, means like first you guys need to do this thing. Okay, whatever you guys are searching, you guys are need to concentrate on this only. Okay, now we can learn with our next slides. Okay, whatever it is there. Now we identify the resource over internet, we identify the bus tickets from Bangalore to Hyderabad. Okay, now what is we are doing, what is the next thing? Okay, what is an HTTP protocol? Okay, I have said about HTTP protocol. What is protocol? I have said you, protocol is a set of rules. Okay, for a communication there will be a set of rules over internet, that is a HTTP set of rules. Okay, what is HTTP protocol? HTTP protocol is a request and response protocol. HTTP gives users a way to interact with a web resource such as HTML files by transmitting a hypertext messages between clients and server. Okay, coming to simple word, it is a request and response protocol. Okay, this is the protocol. Okay, client and servers it is connecting. This will means like in the middle there will be a set of rules over internet. Okay, whatever it is there, the communication is coming, means like communication link will data transfer each other, both are doing the integration. It's like API will do, but HTTP will do the, there will be some set of rules that will do. Okay, once the request come to the server and response should be there, that's why it is a request and response. Like it has to transmit anything, the features will coming, like it's a media independent, it can transfer the text messages, media files. Okay, like that, those are things. HTTP protocol, this is overview of a HTTP protocol, or what is the HTTP protocol. Okay, coming to next slide, the basic characteristics and features of HTTP. Okay, you know now what is HTTP protocol, what are the characters of that HTTP protocol, that is an okay, this is an request and response protocol. What is an characteristics of that protocol? Coming to first characters, it is a protocol that allow a web servers and the browsers to exchange data over a web. I have said in the before, means like in the previous slide, in this slide it will do the data transfer each other. Okay, it will data transfer anything, information, news, anything, it will send the data with you, means like whatever the client asks, response should be there. Okay, by default the port is 80, there will be some TCP port, transmission control port. Okay, that protocol that will be a 80 here. Okay, for a HTTP, not for a HTTPS. HTTPS there will be a different port. I will say that one in the last. Okay. Now characteristics are completed. Okay, now we can go with the features. There will be some features and characters are both same things, but what are the features has HTTP is a media independent, it's not a media dependent. Okay, it is a media independent. Okay, and after that it is a connectionless. And why it is a connectionless and why it is a stateless? Okay, HTTP is a stateless. Okay, coming to media independent, there will be some written is there. What is this? Any type of data, file, binary text, etc. can be sent by HTTP. HTTP while means like connecting this thing. Okay, whatever the client is asking, okay, there will be a response is there. Okay, now you for example I will say, now you guys are giving the means like requesting with a text message, means like you are getting the normal text, it need to give the response with a video. Okay, for example what I have searched here, I have searched the review of Hindi movie. Okay, now what it gave a video response and video. Okay, these are the video responses, and then after that it gave us some news, means like this is some top stories. Okay, just to say it is a text. Okay, after that it gives us some images means like that is a PNG and JPEG. Okay, that's why the HTML is media independent. You can it will send a data with any type of data. Okay, coming to connectionless, the server processes the request and sends a response back to after the which client disconnect the connection. Okay, whatever I do, okay, now it's giving the connection to me. Okay, now I am searching something. Okay, MPRNC. Okay, rating. Now just I am searching for a RRR movie rating. Okay, what is the rating I can say. Okay, after that whatever I will do, I will okay, I have seen. Okay, I got a response. Okay, I have seen how much rating they give. Okay, something is something, some 4.5 they give. Okay, yeah, finally. Okay, how much it's a budget and everything you seen. Okay, now the response also you got. Okay, now I need to disconnect with this thing. Okay, now I am disconnected. Okay, now the connection is closed, that's why the connection is connectionless. And for connectionless also I will say it will be a coming, means like this request is not wired request, this is an non-wired request. Non-wired means like over internet we are doing. Okay, that's why it's a connectionless also. Okay, you guys are understand. Okay, now last thing. Okay, stateless. What is stateless? The stateless means each request is considered as a new request. There will be a means like something is related with the connectionless and stateless, right? What is that connection? Here once the request and response completed, it will disconnect the connection. Okay, after disconnect the connection, what it will do, it need to create a new request. Okay, if user ask, okay, now I will ask, I am practice questions answers. Okay, now just I will ask, okay, exam. Okay, there will be a new request, it is giving the free study guide. This will be a response, means like a new request. Okay, now I am removing everything. Okay, everything is completed, I don't need this response. Okay, I am coming back. Okay, here everything is like completed. Okay, now the connection is closed. Okay, with my Google, and I am a client, Google is my requesting server. Now the connection is closed. Now what I am asking, I am asking about different thing. Okay, now I am asking about MuleSoft only. Okay, MuleSoft practice exam. Okay, what it is doing, it is giving the result. Okay, now it is connecting the clients. Okay, that will be a response for us, means like between us. Okay, now whatever you are going, that will be a stateless. Just you guys need to understand this thing only. It is a stateless and connectionless and media independent. Okay, we can move with our slides. You guys are means like little bit idea about HTTP now. Okay, now there will be, I have said in this slide, there will be a HTTP request and response. Okay, whatever it is there, while working with the request, okay, there will be a some format. There will be a some format. What is that format? While requesting something in over internet, okay, there will be a some format with a HTTP request format will be there. What is that request format? Okay, I will come to current slide, that will be helpful. Okay, yeah, while sending some request to like any other domain like Google, Redbus, smartdevelopers.com, okay, there will be some request line. Okay, what is request line? Request line is getting as a get method, and right to after that index.html. Index.html is a file and the HTTP version 1.0. okay, that will be a get. Get is a request format, means like get method is like a search method. Whatever we are searching in over the internet, that will be a get method. And there will be a header line. Header line content, I have said you guys, right? There will be a host. Host is www.smartdevelopers.com. that will be your host, and right to after that the I said port is a 80 for a HTTP. okay, that those all things are means like these all things are the inside only. You guys will not see these things. okay, what is the date, today's date, and user agent, and the Google Chrome. I am using the Google Chrome, that's why user agent is a Google Chrome, and acceptance language en.us. okay, these all the request line has contained the get method and the version, and header line contain a host and some details. And yeah, coming to message body, there will be a content length will be there. Content length means there will be a request and response, header line will be there. okay, that payload and message, content length is a payload and message. Whatever you are sending information to web server, that will be a message or a payload. Payload means actual message sending to web server. Request payload and response payload will be there. Request payload is a whatever the message you means like whatever the request you are sending to, whatever the information you are sending to web server. What is response payload? Response payload is whatever web server is giving response to me or who is requesting, that will be a response payload. Payload is an important thing, please do remember this thing. okay, yeah, coming to response format, once you requested to web server, there will be a response format will be there. Response format is very much important. Response format contain the status line. Status line contain HTTP version and 200 okay. What is this 200 okay? 200 okay is a status. Whatever you are asking the status, that thing will be coming with HTTP response. What is a header line? Header line is contain date and which server. Now it's a Apache server. Google is using Apache server. okay, it will be coming from Apache server. These all will hide with a U. okay, what is the last modified date? In the backend you are asking something. okay, that will be modified date will come. okay, like 2 days, 3 days, that last modified date will come. And content type, I have said you guys, means like this will be a not only text HTML, it will be a JSON, a media independent HTML, it will come. okay, after that message body, whatever you are requesting, you are getting, means like whatever the response you are getting, that will come on the payload. This is a response payload. Whatever I said in the previous, response payload is coming with a web server. Whatever I am asking with means like whatever I am searching with a web server giving response, that will be a response payload. This will be viewed by the client. okay, yeah, now move ahead with the request methods. okay, I have said here only get method is there. Get, apart from get, is only for a searching. okay, if I want to insert something to the database, what I need to do? I need a something add method. No, add method is not with the HTTP. There will be some set of rules. That's why request line has contain some request methods. okay, these are the 4 important methods, because get method it will do the searching. okay, and post method it will do insert something you want to insert, that thing. And put method what will do? It will update whatever it is there. Put and patch are there. okay, I will use patch also, I haven't included here. Means like I will give while giving this thing. okay, I will give the notes, means like I will give the explanation while giving this notes to you. okay, and delete method means like if anything is there, I will remove, means like in the web server I don't want this, means like you are getting some unwanted mails, okay, you need to subscribe with that thing, okay. After that you are removing your resource from that particular website. On the time delete will use these all, means like get, post, put, these while you are, if you are a user, these all things are going in backend, okay. If you are a developer, you guys must know these things, okay. Get what will do, this method will do the read only access for a resources, you don't need to modify it here, okay. And post what will do, it will create a new resource with in web server, okay. What put will do, put will implement it, update an existing resource or create a fresh one. If you use a put one, and post, just it will create a new resources, it will be also a duplicate, okay. What put will do, it will update, if it is an existing resource it will update whatever, if you are now it's Abhishek, okay. Whatever his address is K or something, now my name is Praveen, okay, my address is Patil, okay. What I need to update the Patil, now it will update the Patil only, okay, like that. Delete, I want to remove the Praveen Patil, okay, I will remove the Praveen Patil from the using a delete method. These are the request methods, and patch method is also there. Please do, means like please add those things here, okay. I haven't added here, please do add that thing also, that will be also a very important method, okay. Yeah, after completing of our request methods, just we can see the example. Just we see here, example is just I am taking as a reference as a books, okay. There will be some books website is there. Now I am requesting with a get method for a books. What it will do, it will say list of all the books in a database or a server, okay. Whatever the databases, means like books are there, it will show, okay. Coming to delete, okay, for a delete, now you are reading some book, now you are reading one book like what is the famous book now, bestseller, okay. See, the book ID is a bestseller, okay. In the book session you are seeing the all books, okay. Bestseller is also there. If you click means like in the sub path, you will, if you give a some URI and deleting with a method of delete, okay. Delete a book based their ID, means like there will be a book ID will be there for a particular book, for a bestseller book. For that you are removing that book, okay. Now after that, post books, okay. What it will do, it will create a book, it will create a book with a whatever the book is there. For a new, you guys are adding a book with the name of Wings of Fire, okay. Now that will be adding with the adding with this database, in books database. If you use the post method, book will add in the database. If you use like that, if you use the put method, okay. Now Wings of Fire is there. If you want to giving the book ID to that book, okay, on the time you will use a book and book ID method to update the book. It will update with the book ID, okay. And after that, if you want to retrieve particular book, now you have a multiple books like Wings of Fire, Indian 2020, so many books are there, means like 20,000 books are there. If you want to identify with a book ID, okay, now for example 1 2 3 4 book ID is there, okay. Books in the box, if you give a 1 2 3 ID, directly you will get a Indian 2020 as a book ID, okay. This is the simple example. You guys will know these all things, means like in the once you guys are working, okay. And coming to what is HTTP and HTTPS, you guys are seeing HTTP and HTTPS, okay. What is HTTP? HTTP is giving the means like it will give the protocol. What it will do, it will give the request and response protocol. It will give the connection and data give the connection between client and server and data transfer each other. What it will do, while you using the HTTP, if any intruder, if any hacker is there, he can read, means like while you communicating on the time, he can read your data, he can read your request, and he can read the what is the response is coming. That's why we can say this is a human readable data, it's not a intruder readable data, okay. If it is a protocol, okay, what is the solution for this? For the solution is HTTPS. If you use the HTTPS, that will be an SSL key. SSL key is nothing but secure socket layer. It will give us security to your connection, whatever the data transfer is there. that data transfer, client will have an SSL key and the server has an SSL key. It will be encrypt while requesting with a client. It will encrypt. Okay, now I am putting the hello message. There will be encryption tools are there. Those guys can means like those are know about the cyber security things. Who is maintaining cyber security? Those guys are know. Okay, those are all things. Okay, encryption methods. Okay, those guys give one certificate, SSL certificate. If you use that certificate, that we were http.google.com and http://redbus.net, no one will hack your application. Okay, on that time not readable data with this is encrypted, because hello message is there. If they read links, like it will be a shuffle, or there will be in hello message they use some numbers. Okay, that will go to the server and server give response with a encryption. Okay, and after it will come here and decrypt, and after server will giving the response, it will also come here and encrypt, and then it will go to the here also it is encrypted, and what will the client ask, that will come with a secured manner. That's why we will use the HTTPS. HTTPS is a port number is a 443. That will be a port number for a HTTPS. Okay, yeah, there will be a some simple example, means like now we are using some mailbox. Okay, Helen is using a http gmail.com, http www.gmail.com, example.com. Okay, now it's not a secure connection. Now whatsoever she is entering her mail address, and after that she entered his password. Her password is like abc123. Okay, here one hacker is there. He can see the your password without encryption. That password is not encrypted with the HTTP. But if it is a HTTPS, because Helen is using HTTP, and Carol is using HTTPS, she is using a security socket layer. Okay, here what will happen, it will encrypt. I have said in this slide, right, it will encrypt. Okay, whatever it is encrypt, hacker can see like this. Okay, here it is abc123. He can easily hack her mail IDs. And if Carol, okay, what is this, he don't know the encryption method also. On that time the request will go, and before he has hacking the encryption data, hacker will not see those things. Okay, that's why we will use a HTTP and HTTPS. HTTP is a secure protocol. Okay, coming to status codes in response format, I have said something, you guys are remember, I think. Okay, this is 200 OK. 200 OK means like a success response. Like that, HTTP provides the standard status codes. Those are here. One is information 11x, xx means like 0, 101, 102, like that. The some HTTP status codes means like the set of status lines are there. Those will given by HTTP. Okay, those are the, if it is a informational, on the time it will give a 1. If it is a success method, success, it will give a 200, 201. Those all things will be there. And redirection means like if you are requesting something, okay, it's not fulfilled. Okay, now you need to request again, and if you will get a 2xx response. Okay, and 4xx response is something you guys are seeing every time, like 404 not found. Okay, not only 404, there will be a 400, 401, 402, like that. There you guys need to search this thing in the internet, what is HTTP status codes. Okay, server error, if anything is goes wrong on the server error, means like if you guys are means like working with any organization, you guys will see that message, means like if any internal server is down, on the time 500 server internal error is there. If it is a client error, means like he is asking whatever it is not in the web server, means like not in the database, on the time they will get a 404 not found. Okay, like in the server 501, 502, like that, the some internal errors are there. Okay, this is all about the HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, status codes, everything. Using of these things, you guys are playing here only. In means like what is the response, success, it will come or not in the coming sessions. Okay, thank you guys, happy learning. This is the end of the session 3.